All right, guys, we're back in the garage. I just got the passenger side Vendetta sidebar, Nerf bar, whatever you want to call it, installed. This bar, unlike the model from Polaris and some of the others that are out there, actually it uses a bolt through. So it has 3 bolts with nylock washers. These are, again, these are grade 5. You can see the three spots on there. So I've got this installed, and just kind of looking down the side of the vehicle, you can see it is just a hair wider in the back than the tire, so should help avoid everything. They do wrap under. I don't know if you can see it there, but they do wrap underneath here. They do. They say, I believe on one of their YouTube videos, that it does help stiffen the frame as well, just add some additional support. Of course, you could use it as a tie-off if you needed to, and it is reinforced in the middle here with this plate, but it is all steel. You do have to, for the installation, you do have to drill through these 3 holes. The model from Polaris uses an expander nut, basically, and it does not go through the hole. So with these, you just take a drill, the hole on the outside's already there, drill it all the way through. You do also have to, on the front hole down here, you do have to drill through the skid plate or remove it. Basically, I used just a step drill and got out 7/8 of an inch, and it worked fine. It is a little tricky because this particular hole, when you're putting the bolt in, it is slotted on this side to allow for some adjustment, and it is directly behind this bar. So it's a little tricky. The other 2 holes are actually pretty easy to get in. You can get them lined up. The back one up at the top it is a little deep, but not really too bad to get it on. But they look nice. I do like the look, and they do look like they'll do the job. Just help protect the machine even more, and particularly after the last events that I had, I think all the protection I can get is good, and certainly protecting the plastics down there at the bottom and even the frame will give some additional insurance against damage to the vehicle if I'm going over rocks or logs or anything like that. So anyway, I still got to do the driver's side. I hope you like this installation note video. Just for the record, you can see, I have to actually look and see what size I used. This one was actually 11/64, and this was 21/64. But as long as you're close, it's not really a big deal. I just use this as a pilot and then use this to do the final drill. Also, one last note, there are 2 sizes of bolts. The longer bolt goes in the top rear, and then the 2 shorter bolts go along the base of the rail. Anyway, that's it for now. I will report back once I've got the driver's side done. That one should go pretty much just the same. Takes only about 15 minutes or so. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we will be back for more.